Can you ride the
Can
donkey?
you do it? Go, 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 go. Woo! Hold on. Say ears. Look. Ears. 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 Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Can you pull his ears? Yeah. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There you go. Go, Sam. Go. You're doing good. Hold on. Hold on. You need to clean it. You're gonna go slow. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Ready? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, yeah. Oh, go, Sam. Oh, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh, I saw a snot bubble. Say, wipe my nose in, Mom. Wipe my nose in, Mom. You got kid beer in your nose. Oh, What? What do you see? You grabbing his ears?
Damn! Hey! Ha ha! You riding it? That one doesn't do a whole lot, huh? Tastes good.
Oh, are you gonna eat his ears? 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 Wiggle them, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. What is it? Oh, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh, don't fall off. Are you falling? A little. There. Is that better?
Go, buddy. Go.
Opa. Your playroom looks all different if you Boo. Boo. I see you. Driving. What? Tell me. Go ahead and get in. Go ahead, Sam.
Sam, can you get in, buddy?
There you go. Oh
Can
my
you get in?
goodness. What a big boy. What a big boy, Sam.
Good job.
Hi. Hi.
Good job. Can you get in?
Are you happy in there? Hi. I like your new truck. Car. Oh. Come here.
Go see.
Come here.
Ah.
It's okay. Come
Where's
on.
Mama?
It's alright. Try again.
Ah, stand up.
Oh, is that donkey right there?
Get that dude out of here.
Don't worry about it. I see him. Go ahead. Come here. Come here. Come here. You don't like him? Come here. Come here. Come here, you. Come here, you. I see him. You see that donkey? Did he try to talk to you? That's not normal. That donkey tried to talk to you?
That's only happened once that we know of.
That's Matisse. Is that Matisse at the door? Is that Matisse? Nadine? Oh! I bet he wants to come out here and play with us.
Hey,
Tell
Sam.
me.
Sam.
Where's Daddy?
Sam.
I'm gonna go out to Daddy.
Hey, Sam.
What is...
Come here. Sam.
We see it, baby. We see it. Yeah.
Sam. Come here.
The back of my jeans are all muddy too and those stuff.
Yeah. Sam. Hey. Hey, look. Look. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh my goodness, what? What? You gonna go over there with that donkey? You want a balloon? Okay, baby, I'll get it. Here, I'll get it.
I want that, but I ain't going near
You
that.
worried about that? Okay. Now, what do you see? What do you see? You wanna go get something? Go ahead. Go ahead. Mike?
What was that?
Mike? Oh my goodness, your balloon! Balloon? Sam, say balloon. Balloon. But that's your bunny. See it.
What are you talking about, Willis?
Thank you. Thanks, Sam. Thank you. That's your balloon? Balloon? Oh. What? Go ahead, you can play with that.
Oh, he's spitting out big time. That's not going to be good.